We're back, reacting to Ciara Lil Baby Forever. Thanks for tuning in. Let's subscribe. The goal is to get to 500 subscribers. Let's subscribe, like, watch all the other videos. Let's get to it.
Girl, you know we always talked about these days. What you have is forever. You can't let nobody steal your joy. And forever starts today. They say nothing in this life is forever. Forever.
Not even the future.
I don't want it if it isn't forever.
Ciara's so beautiful. Jesus.
Yeah, she's nice. I remember when they used to call her tranny. Do you remember?
No.
Like in the earlier years, they used to be like, yeah, she used to be a boy and shit like that. Like, guys.
Yeah.
There was that rumor running around that she used to be a boy.
Well, I'm glad it took a seat somewhere.
Everyone's hating, going half on a baby, and they think I'm crazy, cause one night only can't be enough. Some say I'm hating because I be saying love is amazing. I know I'm not the only one who don't wanna grow old together. If I'm tripping, let me know. One plus another one is better than spending all your time alone. They say nothing in this life is forever.
I dare Lil Baby to have a different flow and cadence.
Ciara's been doing her thing lately now.
Yeah. By the way, we reacted to her track with Chris Brown. Forgot the title, but it's up there. We've reacted to that fire track as well.
I don't want it if it isn't forever.
Does Ciara have a nice
What?
peaches?
Nah, unfortunately not. She's been on the skinnier side of things.
Damn. Okay. Shout out to the skinny girls.
Forever, it ain't forever, it's forever. If it ain't forever, it's forever. If it ain't forever, it's forever.
You ain't gotta rush, it's fine, baby. I'm the one you take your time with. Keep it fun, we gotta try shit. Made a bun, we got.
Okay, baby. Okay.
Finally, someone saw the light.
Okay.
You ain't gotta rush, it's fine, baby. I'm the one you take your time with. Keep it fun, we gotta try shit. Made a bun, we gotta die with. Head first, I done died then. You the one, but really, you a 10. I know my mind like here should go again. We ain't gotta stand out, we could blend. And I'll make sure to give you my attention. I know it won't stick unless it's meant to be. Late night phone calls, venting me. All I really do is think about it. You know I got a handle, never doubt me. How you think this shit'll be without me? Really?
They say nothing in this life is forever.
Okay, baby. Okay.
I think that's the first time I hear him with a different flow.
Nah, he been. That's my wedding. My wife, after the wedding, wearing sneakers. Now it's time for us to dance.
On the way to divorce court.
Not me and my wife. We'd rather die than divorce.
Slippery slope.
They say nothing in this life is forever. I don't want it if it isn't forever. It ain't forever, it's forever.
Okay, that was decent. That was decent. I like the song. It's good.
I like the
it's
song.
Good. It's good.
Makes me wanna have sex.
What? Know your crowd, motherfucker. Know your crowd.
No, not with you, obviously.
Keep that shit to yourself. People are high on estrogen here. You see this thing of drinking tap water. I'm joking. Anyway, yeah. I like that track. I think she probably has an album coming or something. 2 singles in 2 weeks. She probably has an album. I'll be looking out for it.
She has a baby coming in 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, she's bringing it too. Man, it's hard being a woman. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and suggest any other videos you'd like us to react to, and we'll do so.
Jesus, so many women are pregnant these days. Isn't Rihanna pregnant?
Yeah, I think so.
Ciara's pregnant.
So 2 people and so many people. But
who's,
to be fair, Rihanna's
who's
been
a tennis
holding
player?
it out. Tennis player. Osaka.
no, not her. Oh, didn't she have a baby?
I think she had a baby.
Who's the other one? The goat.
Serena's pregnant again.
Yeah, she's pregnant. Jeez. Again? Jesus. She didn't cut it. Yeah, she's also pregnant.
Put the dick down. I'm joking.
So many people are pregnant.
It's only
Okay.
4. Come on. Please like, subscribe, suggest any videos.
There's still
to us
time.
to react to, and we'll do so. See you on the other one, and watch all the other videos that we have. We have a bunch of videos. Just watch, like, subscribe.